Hello YouTube family. Today I want to talk about something that I think is very important as we start the beginning of 2023. I want to be a little bit more intentional, and I'm going to take you on my personal journey of like what I'm doing in 2023, and I think it's very important for my investors or people that are looking at my channel just to think outside the box when it comes to tax deed investing. So I'm going to, for this month, I'm going to have a couple of videos on how to build business credit and why you need it. So I feel like right now should be your planting season. So by the second quarter of this year, you should be able to invest with other people's money without having to pretty much ask your friends or family, fill out loan applications, but you can get, you can get lines of credit without having to get loans that you have to pay every month. So look for my videos, because I feel like I would like to start this year off by giving a little bit more knowledge about how to build business credit and why business credit is important for investors. Because if you guys don't know, if you haven't heard my story, when I first started real estate investing, I did it the traditional route where I borrowed money from my mom. I used all my personal savings and also my personal credit. And even though I pretty much, lost everything in 2008 and 2009, it was a very, very valuable lesson for me to invest smart. So I am going to do this video so that you can know what it is to invest smart and not hard, but most importantly, not to use your own money. So just look forward to the next video. I'll probably have a video up here, and it's going to talk about how to build business credit. And then my next video is going to be like, if you don't have a corporation, how you can establish and start building, not only building your corporation, but the things you need in order to be successful at getting funding. A lot of people talk about, having business credit and you're not having to use your personal credit. But if you're just starting out and you've had a corporation and you've never done anything with it, I'm going to show you a quick and easy tool on this next video on how to build business credit and why it's important. Because I feel, even though I have capital and cash, I'd rather use somebody else's capital and cash. That way I'm not leveraging all my personal funds. So stay tuned, because I just want you to know that February month is all about building business credit, and I'll put in a few things about tax deeds and overages, but look forward to the next video at the top about how to build business credit.